Hello everyone, my name is Lisa Valisha and I am from Sanjeevani University currently pursuing MBA, and today we are discussing about bias in performance appraisal, causes and solutions. So let us see what is meant by performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is a tool used by organizations to access employees' performance, provide feedback, and guide decisions related to promotions, compensation, and training. However, biased performance appraisal can distort evaluations, leading to unfair assessments that affect employees' careers and organizational effectiveness. So, causes of bias in performance appraisal are: number one is halo effect, when an evaluator's overall impressions of an employee influences their judgment in all the aspects of performance. For example, if an employee excels in one area, the appraiser may overlook shortcomings in other areas. Number second is leniency bias. Appraisers may be too lenient, giving over positive ratings or to serve giving overly negative ratings due to personal preferences or mood. Central tendency bias. This occurs when appraisers rate most employees as average to avoid extremes, often resulting in a lack of distinction between high and low performances. Recency effect. Appraisers may give disproportionate weight to an employee's most recent performance rather than considering their entire review period. Similarly, bias. When appraisers favor employees who share similar traits, interests, or backgrounds, leading to subjective evaluations. Attribute bias. Evaluators make attribute an employee's success or failure internal factors, example personal ability, rather than external circumstances or vice versa. The solutions to mitigate bias in performance appraisal are: number one, training for evaluators, providing regular training on bias awareness and how to make objective assessment can help evaluators recognize and contract biases. Clear evaluation criteria. Establishing specific measurable performance criteria can reduce subjective judgments and ensures evaluations are based on objective standards. 360-degree feedback. Incorporating feedback for multiple sources like peers, subordinates, or supervisors helps provide well rounded assessment, reducing individual bias. Structure appraisal system. Standardizing appraisal process with consistent rating scales, questions, and benchmarks can minimize the influence of personal biases. Regular monitoring and review. Organizations should periodically review appraisals results to identify and address patterns of bias, ensuring fairness across all employees. Self assessment. Allowing employees to assess their performance helps balance perspective and encourage open communication between appraisers and employees. So, here we conclude that bias in performance appraisal affects employee motivation and career growth. Organizations must take steps to train managers, use data driven methods, and ensure fair evaluations. A fair appraisal system is equals to a more productive and satisfied workforce. Thank you.